jungle.
Good day everyone, I am Justine Miguel Jose from 11 ABM in Mambangna National High School. And for today's video, I will review a product that is hype, trending, and popular in this generation. Introducing the Berry Skin Premium Brightening Sunscreen with SPF 50+++. And this sunscreen is perfect for all type of skin, especially for those people who has oily type of skin like me. And this sunscreen is more than just about sun protection, but dewy, soft, and radiant looking Korean glass skin finish. Let's talk about the physical appearance of this product. As you can see, this sunscreen comes in pink oval tube with a little dent on the cap. The product itself is white in color and has runny consistency. When it comes to scents, I am not a fan of typical sunscreen scents, and I'm not too picky when it comes to fragrance. The scent of this product is no longer as strong as the first time though. Personally, it wasn't bad, just a little bit of weird. Now, let's move on to the active ingredients of this product. First, is Berry Skin Sunscreen is a chemical product? To answer that question, yes, it's an oil-soluble chemical sunscreen, but what does it mean? Chemical sunscreen have chemical compounds that absorbs UV rays. If you're ingredient nerds, here's what's inside the Berry Skin Sunscreen. This product has ingredients of aqua, glycerin, titanium dioxide, and etc. Aside from those ingredients, this sunscreen contains the popular Centella asiatica and other natural extracts that can moisturize, whiten, soothe your skin for a refreshing protection. Maybe a lot of you guys will ask on how to use this product. First, grab a headband and soothe it. And then, put 2 strips of this product to your finger. Just like that. And then, spread it to your face. As you can see, my face is so refreshing right now. Well, let's move on to the efficacy rate of this product. My final thought is after the initial confusion of the scents, I can say that everything was smooth for me. And Berry Skin Sunscreen is non-stick, absorb quickly, and feel moisturizing on the skin. And the best part, this product is quite affordable that everyone can afford. And I hope that you like my product review. That's all for today. Bye-bye!